All right, guys, I got this Honda Pilot here. This is let me check what year this is. If you look on the door, the manufacture date is 6/2010. So 2008, 9, 10, 11 should be similar. Anyways, if you get into the car, put the engine on. All right, AC on. You see that button? AC off, AC on. All right, and I'm just gonna do food tests here, guys. So one thing I have noticed is both fans come on. All right, that indicates to me there is pressure in the system. All right, so to check the pressure, you're gonna open this valve right here. All right, I'm gonna go grab probably something similar to this. All right, so all I'm gonna do is push on that valve. Even though the fans came on, that indicates to me that there is pressure, right? You see that? There is pressure. However, the compressor all the way down there has not engaged, all right? The AC compressor has not engaged. So if that's the case, you need to check inside this fuse box where I got this cover off right there. So you pop that open. All right, if you have a Honda, Toyota, Acura, always check your relays and fuses. All right, so here's a relay right here. That's this one right here. All right, and then we gotta have a fuse right here, 7.5. So it's got to be one of these fuses right here. It even tells you it's number 20. All right, it's a number 20 for magnet clutch. 7.5, all right? So 20, number right there, that's a 20, 7.5. So I'm gonna check that fuse, that's for the AC compressor, also that relay, all right? So off the camera a little bit, I'm gonna do a little bit of testing with, you know what, let me go get my test light. All right, guys, I got my test light here, so let me try to find a good ground with this. All right, maybe this bolt, maybe not, all right? So let's go over here, all right? So, oh, did it work? Nope. So maybe not a good ground. Let me go. Be careful with the engine block, engine belts. So let me ground that over there. Let's see now, all right? So we got power. We got power on both sides. So this fuse has to be good, all right? This relay, sometimes you can tap on it. It will kick on if the relay is jammed. But that's not the scenario. It might be a bad AC compressor, but anyways, I'm gonna go get another relay. Maybe I can swap it with one and let's figure that out. Maybe, you never know. All right, guys, going back a little bit, I made a mistake. This is the relay for the AC compressor, the one that's right here. All right, sometimes you can tap on it, but not that one. It's this one. I made a mistake because you got four relays, and 3 relays. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 here. All right, so it's the fourth one here in line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And these are for fan. You can even take this relay right here and put it here, because these relays are the same. All right, you do not want to pull out any of the important relays. All right, guys, bam, 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 ice cold. All right, ice cold. Relay is bad. What I did was I swapped these two relays, and look, I'm getting water already on the line, and the AC compressor, woo, saved this lady a couple of $1,000s. All right, you see that? I'm getting water on my hand already. The AC is nice and cold, guys. All right, so this relay right here is for the AC compressor, guys, and this is for the fan. All right, so even though my fans are running, I'm not taking no chance. I'm gonna order another relay and we're gonna swap these two. All right, I'm gonna swap them back, meaning, all right, I'm gonna swap this back there, and I'm gonna order her another relay. I'm gonna put a new relay for the AC compressor, all right? And I'm gonna do another video talking about the same nonsense, which is not nonsense, which is a good information right here, guys. Do not go out there and change your AC compressor, guys. Do this. Took me 10 minutes, no more than that. And plus, guys, it's Saturday. I really want to go do this. all this. All right, I got batteries charging, it was beeping, but I really ain't looking to change the AC compressor on this car. But if it had to come to that, it had to come to that. But anyway, guys, do that, take my advice, and check your relays and fuses, guys. All right, pretty good. All right, so thank you for watching, guys, and do not forget to subscribe, share, and like all of my videos.